Oh, yeah, tornado warning, people.
Rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Oh, shit.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and
That's
vehicles.
EAS warning, isn't it?
Tree damage is likely. Locations infected include Atlanta, East Point, Grand Park Zoo Atlanta, Midtown, West End, Sweet Auburn, Turner Field, Piedmont Park, Bankhead, Cascade Heights, Lakewood Park, Sandtown, Atlantic Station, and Sweetwater Creek State Park. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room.
Sorry, guys, couldn't get the full EAS alert.
Windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466.
Well, shit.
All right, you are listening to live coverage of severe weather, a tornado warning in effect for Douglas and Fulton counties until